Gentlemen, your footwear is the absolute foundation of your entire aesthetic. You can wear a perfectly tailored Italian suit, but if you pair it with cheap, clumsy, or outdated shoes, your entire image instantly collapses. Many mature men unknowingly sabotage their hard-earned reputation by clinging to catastrophic footwear choices disguised as comfort. Today, we are ruthlessly purging those disastrous mistakes from your closet. I will show you exactly what to throw away immediately and the sophisticated, timeless upgrades you must wear instead to command silent respect. One, the disastrous square-toe dress shoe. Gentlemen, we begin with the most notorious style offense, the square-toe dress shoe. Many mature men cling to these clunky relics, mistakenly believing they offer superior comfort or a modern edge. In reality, their blunt shape instantly downgrades your entire appearance, making your feet resemble actual boxes. This geometric disaster completely ruins the fluid silhouette of finely tailored trousers. Wearing them screams outdated fashion and instantly shatters any illusion of quiet luxury. It is time to aggressively purge these from your closet immediately. Your footwear anchors your outfit, and a clumsy foundation destroys an otherwise perfect presentation. Discard these tragic shoes and prepare for an elegant upgrade. Two, the magnificent Almond-Toe Oxford. Now observe the magnificent correction, the classic Almond-Toe leather Oxford. This is the ultimate hallmark of refined masculine elegance. Unlike the clumsy square alternatives, the softly tapered toe follows the natural curvature of your foot, creating a sleek and aerodynamic profile. This precise shape beautifully complements the drape of high-quality woolen trousers, elevating your entire aesthetic to absolute sophistication. Investing in full-grain leather Oxfords demonstrates a profound respect for timeless craftsmanship and personal standards. These exquisite shoes command silent respect in any environment, effortlessly projecting an aura of established wealth and discerning taste. Embrace this superior footwear choice and instantly transform your sartorial presence into pure perfection. Three, the catastrophic bulky running shoe. Moving on to another catastrophic error, pairing bulky athletic running shoes with everyday casual attire. Many gentlemen mistakenly prioritize athletic cushioning over visual dignity when running weekend errands. These overly technical, heavily branded sneakers completely disrupt the harmony of a mature wardrobe. Neon accents and massive rubber soles aggressively clash with refined denim or tailored chinos, broadcasting a careless, confused aesthetic. Athletic shoes belong strictly within the confines of a gymnasium or a literal running track, never on a casual afternoon stroll. Allowing these monstrous trainers to dominate your weekend outfits instantly erases any semblance of mature sophistication. Banish them from your daily rotation to rescue your style immediately. Four, the Pristine Minimalist leather sneaker. The correct alternative for casual comfort is the Pristine Minimalist leather sneaker. This brilliant footwear masterpiece effortlessly bridges the gap between relaxed weekends and polished refinement. Crafted from unblemished, premium smooth leather, these sneakers boast a remarkably clean silhouette, entirely free from obnoxious logos or complex stitching. They pair flawlessly with everything from perfectly fitted denim to lightweight seasonal trousers, maintaining a continuous line of effortless elegance. The low-profile rubber sole provides necessary comfort without ever sacrificing your dignified appearance. Owning a crisp pair of these shoes indicates that you value quiet luxury even during your leisure time. This foundational item guarantees an impeccably sharp weekend aesthetic every time. 5. The tragic hybrid dress sneaker. Prepare to discard the ultimate modern fashion tragedy. The hybrid dress sneaker, featuring a chunky white foam sole. This confused footwear attempts to blend corporate formality with athletic comfort, failing miserably at both objectives. Combining a traditional leather upper with a spongy running bottom creates a visually jarring Frankenstein shoe that ruins an elegant outfit. These hybrids signal a complete surrender of style in the name of lazy convenience, making mature men look entirely out of touch with true luxury. True refinement never compromises its structural integrity for temporary trends. Wearing these awkward shoes instantly cheapens your appearance and diminishes the impact of a well-tailored wardrobe. Throw them out. Six, the classic suede penny loafer. To solve the comfort dilemma with absolute grace, embrace the classic suede penny loafer. This exceptionally elegant slip-on provides the exact relaxed feel you desire while maintaining a strict standard of old money sophistication. The rich texture of premium suede absorbs sunlight beautifully during a warm spring afternoon, adding incredible visual depth to your ensemble. They transition seamlessly from a casual brunch to a distinguished evening gathering without missing a beat. Their sleek profile and structured leather soles demonstrate an unwavering commitment to traditional menswear principles. Slipping into these masterpieces ensures you look effortlessly put together while remaining genuinely comfortable. This is the authentic gentleman's approach to relaxed footwear. 7. The lazy urban flip-flop. Another unforgivable mistake is wearing flimsy rubber flip-flops anywhere beyond a sandy beach or a private poolside. Many men tragically wear these hyper-casual sandals into urban environments, completely abandoning all sartorial self-respect. Exposing bare feet in a metropolitan setting is generally uncouth, but doing so in cheap rubber actively disrespects the concept of quiet luxury. These completely structureless items offer zero support and ruin the visual flow of even the nicest linen trousers. The distinct slapping sound they make announces a severe lack of refinement long before you even enter a room. Banish these incredibly lazy sandals from your daily city life and elevate your warm weather standards permanently. 8. The sophisticated suede driving shoe. For the correct approach to relaxed spring elegance, step into a beautifully crafted suede driving shoe. Originally designed for wealthy motoring enthusiasts, these incredibly flexible shoes offer unmatched comfort while maintaining an impeccably sharp appearance. The distinctive rubber pebble sole provides functional grip, while the soft suede upper molds perfectly to your foot. Worn without visible socks alongside lightweight seasonal trousers, they project an image of a man who travels exclusively on his own terms. This footwear seamlessly blends European nonchalance with structured American luxury, creating a universally admired aesthetic. They represent a sophisticated leisure class that values absolute quality, ensuring your casual outfits always remain undeniably distinguished and rich. 9. The artificially distressed sneaker. We must aggressively address the bizarre trend of purchasing intentionally distressed or pre-dirted luxury sneakers. Paying a massive premium to look deliberately unkempt is the absolute antithesis of old money aesthetics. True elegance revolves around impeccable maintenance and presenting a clean, highly polished version of yourself. Scuffed leather, artificial mud stains, and frayed laces project a deeply manufactured and inauthentic image that sophisticated men easily recognize and reject. This messy aesthetic completely undermines the foundational rules of classic menswear, which demand absolute neatness. Looking artificially impoverished is never a stylish maneuver for a mature gentleman. You must immediately throw away these disrespectful shoes and prioritize pristine cleanliness at all times. The architectural leather Chelsea boot. The intelligent replacement for urban spring walking is the remarkably sleek leather Chelsea boot. This iconic piece of footwear brings immediate architectural sharpness to your entire lower half. Featuring a brilliantly clean vamp entirely devoid of laces, the smooth leather creates an unbroken visual line that effectively elongates your legs. The elastic side panels offer incredible convenience, while the structured toe maintains rigorous formality. When paired with perfectly hemmed trousers, they exude a quiet, commanding confidence reminiscent of historic British aristocracy. A well-maintained Chelsea boot effortlessly elevates simple daytime outfits into spectacular evening ensembles. This magnificent investment guarantees a consistently powerful and highly polished presence in absolutely any situation. The oversized basketball sneaker. Never ruin a beautifully constructed outfit by incorporating massive high-top basketball sneakers. While heavily celebrated in youthful streetwear circles, these oversized athletic boots have absolutely zero place in a mature gentleman's refined wardrobe. The exaggerated padded collars aggressively bunch up your trouser hems, completely destroying the elegant drape of fine fabric. Their chaotic, multicolored paneling furiously clashes with the subtle, sophisticated palettes defining quiet luxury. Wearing sports equipment disguised as daily fashion signals a tragic inability to mature gracefully. True wealth whispers through subtle proportions, whereas these gigantic sneakers scream for unearned attention. Discard this juvenile trend immediately to reclaim your sartorial dignity and establish a commanding masculine presence. The understated Suede Chukka boot. The correct casual boot for a distinguished gentleman is the remarkably versatile Suede Chukka boot. This understated masterpiece provides the perfect amount of ankle coverage without ever interfering with your trouser hem. Crafted with exquisite simplicity, the unlined suede upper offers magnificent breathability during warmer spring months. The elegant natural crepe rubber sole delivers supreme walking comfort while preserving a thoroughly traditional aesthetic. These boots perfectly bridge the difficult divide between relaxed denim and sharply tailored chinos. Their rich, tactile surface immediately telegraphs an appreciation for quiet luxury and authentic artisanal craftsmanship. Wearing Chukka boots firmly establishes you as a man who understands nuanced, timeless style without trying too hard. The excessively branded slip-on. We must strongly condemn the vulgarity of excessively branded designer slip-on shoes. Plastering massive metallic logos and interlocking monograms across your instep completely violates every principle of old wealth elegance. This loudly aggressive footwear practically begs for external validation, visually shouting about how much money was spent. Authentic luxury never relies on giant billboard advertisements placed awkwardly on your feet. These obnoxious items actively distract from the tailored mastery of your clothing, pulling the eye downward toward cheap ostentation. True sophistication relies entirely on impeccable silhouettes, flawless leather quality, and masterful stitching. Eliminate these tasteless status symbols from your collection and return to the dignified art of aesthetic subtlety. 14. The distinguished Tassel Loafer. The infinitely superior choice for a slip-on shoe is the highly distinguished leather tassel loafer. This phenomenal piece of traditional menswear perfectly balances aristocratic charm with everyday accessibility. The delicate leather tassels provide a magnificent touch of subtle ornamentation without ever appearing unnecessarily flashy or overly branded. Constructed from immaculate calfskin, they offer a brilliantly structured shape that beautifully complements sharply pressed trousers. This specific shoe carries a rich academic history, effortlessly projecting an aura of high intellect and established generational wealth. Slipping into these remarkable loafers instantly upgrades your stylistic vocabulary, ensuring you command immediate respect in both prestigious boardrooms and exclusive private social clubs alike. '15. The Geriatric Velcro Walking Shoe. Our final and perhaps most tragic style violation is pairing geriatric Velcro walking shoes with tailored clothing. Men mistakenly adopt these orthopedic nightmares, believing age grants them immunity from basic aesthetic standards. The massive Velcro straps create an overwhelmingly infant-like appearance that instantly destroys any accumulated masculine authority. These bulky, incredibly unflattering silhouettes ruin the bottom half of your body, creating a completely disproportionate and wildly unattractive profile. Comfort must never become an excuse for entirely surrendering your personal dignity. There are countless luxurious options offering brilliant orthopedic support while retaining classic elegance. Discard these awful straps immediately to preserve your refined reputation and maintain your well-deserved commanding presence. Our footwear is the silent ambassador of your wealth, maturity, and meticulous attention to detail. By eliminating these clumsy atrocities and investing in timeless leather masterpieces, you instantly command respect before even speaking a single word. True elegance is never about chasing fleeting trends. It is about establishing an unshakable foundation of classic masculinity. Elevate your standards permanently and ensure your wardrobe reflects the distinguished gentleman you have become. If you are ready to master the art of quiet luxury, subscribe to the Man Style Decree.